Got it, guys? My parts for my new BRZ from japanparts.com. Let's see what's inside. Okay, got my box opener. Might have to stand up for this. That. Ooh, I got the push ignition switch, STI branded, air cushion, another box, and another. Ooh, I think I know what this one is. Alright, I guess let's start with this big box, or should we leave this for the last part? Yeah, let's leave this for the last. Yeah, the push ignition switch, STI branded. Let's see how this looks like. In this package, bow wrap. Alright, here we got the STI ignition switch right here. Nice. Nice. So this is a fully replaceable ignition switch. Here is it close up. It's pretty nice. Next part, it's another STI item. Subaru leather shift knob. Let's see. And oh god, oh, this thing is heavy. Wow. Wow, this is very premium feeling. This is so worth it. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Very premium looking shift knob. Very heavy. Very good quality. Check that out. Can't believe it looks so good. Feels so good too. So, you guys already know the theme of this video. It's another STI part. And here it is. STI fender garnishes. Ooh. Little simple mod, but would make my car look pretty sick. Close up. STI. Back of it. Sick mod. And here it is, all my parts all together laid out on the table for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you guys are going to pick up any of these parts for your car in the comments below. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and hit that notification bell for more videos.